Hi guys, just going to do a quick review of a Richa jacket. Not been a lot of information on it. It's a Richa Atomic jacket. Focus. There we go. Sizes on these tend to come up a little bit small. So if you're an XL, go for 2XL and so on. You might even find if you're just a large, you might be a 2XL. I can't be specific because I have no idea with the sizes. I just know that they come up small. So that's the first part I need to tell you. How much this jacket costs. They range in a region of 150 to £160. Like I said, Richa Atomic. It's quite a nice jacket. I was looking at the Oxford, I can't remember what it's called now, the Oxford Super Hoodie, Super Waterproof Hoodie, whatever it's called. They're about £100, and this one obviously is like a good £50 more. But it is definitely worth it in my honest opinion, because I felt the quality difference, and it felt like, not necessarily a cheap hoodie, the Oxford, but it just felt like something that was a bit average, I guess. Whereas this has a very premium feel. You can't really tell from the video, but it does feel quite nice. It's got a very, it's got a foam feel to it, but a very premium foam in a sense. It's really strange and hard to explain. It's also got D3O protection in it, which is another thing that sold me to this jacket. That's one of the best protections as far as I know you can get for this motorcycle jacket. I will be using this on my new bike, which I'll post on YouTube soon. I haven't got around to doing it yet, but I will do it soon. Just on a side note, I managed to get myself a GoPro. 64 gig SD card there on my GoPro. So what I would like to do is do some vlogging, but again, we'll get there in time. For now, this is just a jacket review. So first parts of this jacket to note are the big pockets. Got quite a big pocket, really deep in that. Goes all the way across to here. One on the other side. We've also got up here another pocket. Again, really deep. It's a good thing. You don't want to worry about losing anything. And that's it, I think, for the outside. I just want to point out all the points of protection. So, looking at here, I'm not sure about the back. Let's have a look. No, we ain't got one on the back. All the points of protection on your elbows, your shoulders, have all got a very, it's just textile protection on it. So it's got the extra protection where you kind of need it. It's a shame they haven't got it on the back. That would be really good. Also, we got this bit in here, so when you zip it up, you know, you've got like a sort of a seal there. I just want to mention this jacket is waterproof. I have tested it, but it's sort of like you don't want to take the mick in it. If you got covered in drizzle or a quick shower, you'd be fine. But long term, getting drenched, I think you still get wet. Right, for the inside. So, on the inside of this jacket, we also have an upgradable pouch. So the jacket comes with a level 1 protection, which is upgradable to a level 2. So there you go, that's the level 1 here, and you can upgrade it to the level 2. And that's that. So you can see your extra room in here for the bigger protection, but the one that's in here is literally just that. Let's see if I can pull it out, just so you can see it. Give me 1 second. And there's your protection. Do you know when you see D3O, because it's like a giant foamy mat that's squidgy. So that's your protection. It's the same for the shoulders. We've got some up here and there. Obviously the other side as well, and you've also got some on the arms, which is right there. Also got a pocket on the inside. This one fairly deep, not the deepest pocket in the world, but it's deep. As you can tell, I've not worn this yet. I think that might be about it. The other thing it does have, sorry for my really bad camera quality, is a Richa zip connector system, which is basically you being able to zip your trousers, I guess, to it to keep it together, stop you from having a jacket flapping around. Yeah, so that's that. What else was there that I want to point out? Oh, yes, the hood. It's very important. So, you're running along and you don't want your jacket flapping around at the back. You've got a clip, as you can see there. So now, there you go. So that hood's not going to flap around. In theory, I can tell you because I've not tried it. It is in there. I can't pull that apart easily, so that's good. Also, you can't really see it, but it's got a detachable zip here on the hood. So if I didn't want this jacket with a hood, I literally could just unzip that, take the hood off, discard it somewhere. That's the end of that. The inside is very warm. Kind of a bit random, I think, because if I was going to use this jacket, I'd probably only use it in summer. But yeah, the inside of the hood's quite warm. It's got a very, it's got fleece material on the inside. There's not really much reviews on this jacket, so I thought I'd just give a quick overview of this jacket so you can actually see it for yourself. The netting on the inside of my other Armoured Hoodie, I've got a real cheap one. This is quite irritating on my other one, but this one is so fine, it's not going to irritate you at all. So you haven't got anything to worry about there. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I think there's some washing information maybe. Let's see when you focus on that label. Machine wash cold, gentle cycle. Do not bleach, do not tumble dry, do not iron, do not dry clean, remove protectors before washing. Kind of obvious. So yeah, that is the Richa Atomic jacket. Not sure how long this has been out, but it is definitely a decent jacket. Another little label there. Waterproof. Okay, so that jacket on the inside is a waterproof phone pocket. Definitely might be worth noting if you've got yourself a phone that's not waterproof. And this phone's been annoying to focus. But yeah, that is literally it. We've got tight wrist bits here as well. Can be handy for depending on what gloves you've got. It's quite a fitted jacket, so when it's on you, it kind of not hugs you. Okay, it does hug you, but not too much. It's fitted basically. It's just a fitted jacket. Definitely worth giving a look at if you're considering an Armoured Hoodie. But yeah, that is literally it. So speak to you guys soon, and hopefully I get my GoPro going soon. Bye.